Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you want to add vintage effect to your images like this, then you are at the right place. In this video, we'll learn exactly the same, so stay tuned to see how it's done. Here is our image. Make a duplicate of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Right-click and convert it into a smart object. Go to Image Adjustments and choose Black and White. Adjust the sliders and hit OK. Now go to Filter, Noise and add noise. Make the amount to 10 and hit OK. Again go to Filter, Noise and choose Dust and Scratches. Here with the radius to around 1 and threshold to around 8, hit OK. Now unhide the background layer and add a new solid color adjustment layer. Choose a dark color shade that gives a vintage look like this. Hit OK. Click on layer 1 and click on the vector mask icon over here. Hold Alt or Option and click on the vector mask thumbnail. As you do that, you'll go inside the mask. Here we'll place our texture. Press Ctrl or Command A to select it. Go to Edit, Copy and paste it. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. Now, to come out of the mask, hold Alt or Option and click on the mask thumbnail. Let's change the background color to something more vintage. Now, let's add some more textures to our image. Import Texture 1. Adjust it to cover the canvas. Change its blending mode to overlay and change its opacity to around 50. Import another texture. Adjust it. Change its blending mode to soft light and its opacity to around 80. Now let's import one more. Change its blending mode to multiply. This is what it will look as of now. Now go to the adjustment layer and choose Lookup. Choose the effect to Film Stroke. Change its blending mode to multiply and change its opacity to around 40. You can even add Levels Adjustment layer, which is completely optional as per your image. And there we have created our vintage look effect with the help of Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.